happening? You're already asleep? Ready? Anak, you're already asleep? Naku, Daddy will get mad. Hello, Thirdy. Thirdy, what's happening now? You're already asleep? Oops. Oops, anak. Thirdy. Okay. Mommy will keep on driving. Okay. Shh. Drive only. Although you're still asleep, you still want to play the car? Anak, you're already closing your eyes? B, look at your son. He still wants to play, even though he is very sleepy. Okay. Wait. Oh, mommy, oh. Okay. Shh. Maybe you need some pillows, right? Mommy will bring your pillow. You want? Huh? He's angry. B, your son is angry. Are you really sleeping? You already sleeping? Huh? You already sleeping? Okay, let's move your car. Okay. We will not stop. Okay. Oh, wait, we're driving. Oh, see? We're driving. It's okay. Oh, we're driving. Okay. Shh. We're driving. Okay, we're driving. Okay, see you later, Daddy. I love you.